The first snow totals are in, and Sunday's storm is delivering in a big way. For parts of New York and New Jersey, after a brief afternoon lull, snow began picking back up in New York City and will continue as temperatures drop below freezing Sunday evening. Snow totals between 3 to 5 inches are still expected for the city, with greater amounts eyeing the Hudson Valley and northern New Jersey. New Jersey got off to a strong start, but there are plenty of areas in the Hudson Valley that are in competition. Inland parts of New Jersey, New York, and Connecticut have been under winter storm warnings since 1 p.m. Sunday and were expected to last until 4 a.m. Monday. New York City, Long Island, and coastal parts of the tri-state will fall under a winter weather advisory until 4 a.m. Monday. In New Jersey, Governor Phil Murphy declared a state of emergency on Saturday.